Now, what fraud then?
What your family customer?
Kwasima. Mama Chaba Kwasima. Okay, I say Busia for that I'm a Kenya was Saltpond Ankaful now. I was trying to take you through the process. So this is the primary job of the fishing folks here in Oye Ankaful. Now, mezoko outside abra waro nam like what's the fresh now but what's good where mesh no do what prepare nas. But after that and once we journey do, but this is their oven.
The matter chop hot. Assembly diloto. Hey! Aye!
Well, Ebusia, for you, welcome to the heart of Infantiman. I have a fraha Ankaful. This is the fishing community where they produce correct fish. A penam papa pa bore. Emma wan homa kan wan. And nama was a shito. And nama was a Kochoco. Aha, free. We're from DJ Park already. Today, I'm here to take you through the process. The way I walk nam before you can get that fresh fish and dried fishing. This is the process we'll go through now. Sisi me wan kafor. Na mo wo me nyan could be pa me best for a friend of source. David on ye fia ye na chere. Izaba ye is Yakupo kuti no you. It's me the chaba bakasa. They are working. Waru honam na ye bisa one men sma edwuma na say how it's done and all that. En kana mo frama na munyi men sma Kochoco wayen. Na ban wa ho. I'm going to show you. Now me after that. And I'm brother paying yo yellow. Me you man some awodi I ono fam. So start then.
I mean I do more.
Now what fraud then?
What your family customer?
Kwasima wa. Mama chaba kwasima.
What
Yanka Ankaful kasa na de.
Ankaful kasa na ne.
Dabi I'm panic say I'm no waka.
Mama kai.
Sisi am da compare me. Salam za compare kase.
Ora say na compare kasa am say robotu mu aka ni.
Ya di kogoro. Ankaful kasa na do waka.
Ya wo me bebre.
Obi na adwuma ya ndo fancy kase bia beti. But ebe na wozi da nkomo ya. Nti eyi abanam.
Iye iburumba.
Onye Kochoco.
Dabi iye iburumba.
Oh, okay.
Iye iburumba. I ninka kamini.
Okay. Nti isu ye iburumba onye ban.
Iburumba ibani.
Okay. Nti inyem na ma eyi ye ban.
Iye ban. Na iye ibur.
Ina iye ibur. Na anapia what be an area bia.
Oh, anapia what be.
Yeah, no adwuma. Na sisi anam no wo ho a tachima na wo de kwa na wo de kwa mankesim.
Ya de bi kwa eyi de me botum ya da kwa mankesim. Iya an tachima afo na wo de kwa.
Okay. Dami na me ref me misanizi. Kwa ariata.
Tantemine. We tantemine na nketene te eyi si ya kwa ariata.
Nti so obi hwe wanyim ole. Besa wutan ya da kwa ariata. Na chada do wo frame tu nyibi chada flat
kra
ayata
we ya kwa ayata we ya tantemine we ya no sunti we ya tantemine
beautiful
no we si egbe
so a friend igbe ono so ya na ma echo pa na odadokono da wonzi njawo nti acheba wate bandam na mo ya dan na mudze egujado wo horo ho na da punsuna na
wo na ya horo ho a eho obaya sako nti de mi
sako ne chado obaya white
nti de mi ne wusu ne kan na etuma ablan nti ya horo ho nti ewiara na ekun eje na ede eso wi na ekun eje na ede eguru
nti daman minyim da se ye ramawura nimu a edwuma tuma baama ono enda no ma menyimu
bi 3 days mpo na yegye na ado enda na ada
3 days mpo na baba ka secret bi ya besi afu wada de baba esba we wi abendam de ska
ono yansa wo de mi ampo na yedi gare na da kono
idi chiba
yansa wo kura
2 days mpo da egwarimpo waka gwara
egwarimpo ye ngwaribi
egwarimpo
engwaribi ono ye kechi yari su wana chare na me na abafo nti atofo no ntum wamba
adase
na ya kechire na me na esu nti de mi mmiri di atofo no na mi wonti oba na price ni chama ni chama
nti sisi anu Kochoco ni si bag ko yayin
si ba ko ye 60
cedis. Na 60 cedis na wo ho a bowie na wo fa so a enya wo ho ye be ya.
Asi se ade manyin na me wa age ne dodo. Nti ye bowie na bi fa na 20.
Abai
20.
Wusu bebrebe.
Ewe ya di bia ma pa kante we wo so ba wo je hand.
Ah ye.
10 cedi. Wo je 10 pa na ba wo je 10 cedi.
What you try ga na wo so nyimpa ni.
Wa wo so ya na wo de ba 10 cedi. Wo de ba. Nti wa ma in afi di enwu akomu kra.
Na sisi adi so a eyi na tse no yukromam na mentra won. Adi a wado hu na mi wa shada wa ye eyi o se net yo se wa hu a o se o da wasesa nti hwe sika wonyan na hwe ndwuma a wa ya ansa na wa hu na na
ye hu kom kra
won kom
nye na ye de hu na me kala kakra ba 30 million iwi a papa ni na aba kan na wo kala ko 40 million ni na na me kitikiti ya na ye hu a ye betetu afi nti ya ye hu kom pa no so ya ye adwuma a ye nti ya ba ye
into me drop it
da
wo da ba ya
na
sisi anu ma akaye da ma adwume ma me fi ha bi wo kire nchimba na wa ban because emi mo wa ha ne he na yesu se na musumo ya mufra mo dididim de yi ma akaye sisi akaye da adwuma a wo so na da adze pama na de e baale wo fiala o de iye bi
sisi aye adwume ndi se nsu adwume we su adwuma nti wonya nyama na wa ba na ya hye akonter na yekọ
adwuma so npo de menyu ya adwun nyame yo nso adze pam
da bi ono anu no so ro hu bi
nti ya han uko school mpo ye de ya
ebe mpo adwuma na eba ba wona
ba ho nam ifi adwuma
ha na si mpo na fi adwuma baala na adwuma na aba nkote da wo woro wa ate na egu one aboso ma ya so obi
na sisi ana mengu da mo hihya na mo da ato ewiem mo peda o ye den ana
ye ma ewie na kana kakra
okay
nsu wo ho nti nsu no twe kakra na chi ye konkogye ne ye da egudu na afa
mo ha no nche na wo so eja ato bi na eyim na o ya nda na ofa mana
oh wa ya na ye fo ntudi obre no so nti se ye de na mlo tugye ne da ye fo ntudi na wa ya na achi akedi fu ije ne mu nti kwaje ne mu kakra na oro so na
first so na dey
ohun na ye
ohun na dan
ya eyi ya ye di media na obo ya kakra
na oya mu use fire extinguisher na banti da bu pebi da keje na do sorry kakra ba da bu dey da bia mu di su na mu di godo na nsu do so ama ayeyi
onu mama di yenye bi
ya ba sha won nkran da adwuma a wo ye wonye ne zen na eja musu na mu ma yenye bi obi ru secondary school a oye dan a odo nya shito de ko Kochoco nyiwa Keta school boys onyiwa onye yi na ya srawan emma no so a wo boboto wo ye mai won se mo ya wo mo won sika yi na wonja asisi na wo disisi won because mo de bakroma ye nyimensima a moton mat ze yerken da cha ba me da asma me sister kunin kaka Ankaful kasa kakra Miriam na chi ma hwehwe me ye na atene
wacha nya mi na admo
nsa mfa na ikoda ahi
oframa no ye 4
mukro ba ha no wan fa wunza ago atopan wo pema na baka taba ya wa had oso ba kakra le ye kada mpano upado no so na abafo de fado wode ye wada upado
wacha nya
se edwume ihune den oya ado rebo ama ede hwe mofra
no so ye edwuma ye nti ye ma mi mo edwuma nti ye so ye ba ya nko school ti so ye edwuma
na edana me nyo birds nkomo bi o se eja no ma farefun wonso won yi trap money won nam na awade mo na
no papa
na dam na oboa mo
onye yesu ye be ye ne den
na mun kan hu bibi kakra nche woni insisi an wai farin ya motin de oba
na bag na da
si bag odimo
ono di bi bo shoma format
si bag no odimo ona edi bi eziba na man na si bag na awfa so nya do ya he
si bag na what's a bag kra 50 Ghana 60 Ghana inti be 4 days mpon no si bag kra no ono wasa
But Nisi by this Canada or Beji. But for sooner or warden. No idea, you will chop money. Master me already. Master me already. Into say, well, in Cranochrome. Now I saw an apart. What's 100 cities? What's 200 cities? What's it to wa? Don't you mean say? Yeah, mammy, no more bra or brain. Yeah, John, my friend, was who do the words who are your Kakraba. What's the way or see? What's the Sudan? What's the Sudan? What's the Sudan? Barry. The way to what did the way you trap wedding, see bag. Eh?
Well, from when you also bag and it a money what is being. What do you show my family was school? What do you to school at? Oh, I'm a pad, I'm a bag and nay, the age more for
I answer, but obey ye, and Kakanka. That my mamma no matter now when ye. Wanyana kakanka na ihe so yaba yenye bi ada akwai madam ase bebre
yes it does
bye okay I say ebusuafo da mama ken ye was Saltpond Ankaful na I was trying to take you through the process mesma wo ho nam naze. So this is the primary job of the fishing folks here in Oye Ankaful na mezoko outside abra wo ho nam like what's the fresh now but what's good where mesh no do prepare nas but after that and once a journey do but this is their oven, so they don't work with gas. This is the kind of oven they do. It is made out of clay and a cement into wire and a twin. There are be or 3 but these are like twin, you know, oven into what the wire mesh and seat on this ones, and then the fire is set ablaze under the oven. So like you can see, they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost about 6 here. And this is how the wire mesh looks like only. And see, they can actually sit almost about 6, 5 on the fire on a go. And see heat in one the man and while a griller one, that's how it's done. And after that, when it is not ready for market, and this is their way of storing them, they keep it in here in certain big baskets. What this shape basket I can see. Then they store it, they tie it around into and now scarcity about another time do not the fishermen are not getting fish, and other buyers and what but they were bottom when you be in a way do then they sell it to them. So this is how the act of making Keta schoolboys in a Kochoco Nazan, it is done here at the coastal side. This is the fancy side. I don't know other regions how it's done, but in our territory, this is how it's done. I'm doing this because there are people in the cities that they have no idea how these things are done. And so I've taken it upon myself to educate some people in our rural areas how these things are done. And we have to appreciate their own contribution to the growth and to the food industry. Because if you can get the best of Sheto, it would be from these people. And so we will definitely have to appreciate them. We're from a parkour to the rich. So follow me on this journey. I'll show you more of these things.